ITS Enclosures offers several IceStation printer enclosures for varying printer sizes. Introducing the NEMA 12 PB26 printer box enclosure. The PB26 enclosure is fabricated out of 14-gauge painted steel and measures 26 inches high by 24 inches wide by 28 inches deep. Designed specifically to house barcode printers, the PB26 printer box will protect against dust, dirt, and non-corrosive splashing liquids. The interior of the enclosure features an adjustable 22-inch extended sliding shelf, which provides easy access to the printer. The sliding shelf can be adjusted vertically and will support barcode printers weighing up to 80 pounds. The shelf has an adjustable depth bracket to keep the printer in position. The printer box has lockable front and rear doors for added security and includes lift and turn compression latches. For customer customization, the front door includes a removable polycarbonate window, which is easily modified for a custom label slot or hinged printer door. The rear of the enclosure features a 10-foot power cord and a mini split panel built into the door. To route multiple cables and wires, add a Roxtec cable entry gland. The most popular thermal management for a printer box is a filtered fan system, which creates positive pressure on the inside of the enclosure and prevents dust and dirt entry at the label access slot. The PB26 can also be used for various desktop laser printers by installing an optional access hinge printer door on the top of the unit to retrieve 8.5 by 11-inch sheets of paper. Stationary or mobile pedestals are also available at varying heights. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com. Or simply visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Video tab for additional IceStation product spotlight videos.